Okay, I just want to thank everyone. 2019 was an awesome year. We came a long way. We did a lot of really cool stuff. And right on the very last day of the year, you guys gave me exactly what I wanted. I wanted to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. On the very last day of the year, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So where we can go in 2020, who knows? What we're gonna do for sure is we're gonna build a bunch of instruments and gonna get better at making videos, and hopefully this content and the channel continues to grow, and I'm really enjoying it, so I hope you guys are too. So let's get started on today's project. Okay, so these kind of cuts, they don't get more stressful than this. Like, we put a lot of work to get this neck and body to this point, and one slip up, which does happen. We do have a little slip up. Doesn't destroy the part, but we're lucky. Yeah. So these ones are always really kind of gut wrenching on me, right? It's hard to motivate myself to get these on the machine and running because it's just so stressful. But the machine's been running really great, and things have been working out pretty well so far. So I get it on there. So we're gonna cut out the fretboard. We're gonna do some fretboard inlay. We're gonna cut the neck dovetail. Well, it's not a dovetail. This is a mortise and tenon. So we're gonna cut the neck joint with the body and the neck. And yeah, it all worked out great. Things are going along smoothly. There's really only one more part to make on this guitar, and we're done. Like, we're gonna make a bridge for this thing, and that's really it. So hopefully we'll be wrapping this up in the next few videos. And good news, while I was doing the vertical jig for the Selmer guitar that we're doing right now, I thought, hey, this is the perfect time to get that neck joint for the violin done too. So hopefully we'll hit you with a couple videos here real quick of what's going on with doing a bunch of setup for neck and body joints. And I think the CNC just really shines when it comes to these joints. Like, you get a nice, clean, straight, almost perfect joint. The violin neck joint was immaculately perfect. I was surprised myself. Yeah, so let's head out there and let's make this thing. was it. Short and sweet. We'll just call this one a wrap for today and move on to that next video. Got a bunch of hand finishing to do, getting these parts ready to glue up. That's going to be a challenge in its own. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate everything. Thanks to the Patreons. If you want this Fusion 360 file of this guitar, join Patreon. You get the violin, you get the mandolin, you get the nickel harpa. I've got a whole bunch of new plans coming up. We're gonna do A style mandolin and F style mandolin. I have another Gibson style archtop guitar mandolin that I'm doing. I want to do a viola. I want to do a 5-string violin. We're going to do another nickel harpa that I'm working on too. So tons of stuff there. $1 a month for the Patreon folks. We appreciate you guys are what keep the channel running. So thanks for everything you guys do, and we'll see you next time.